Hey lovelies, welcome back to yet another simple cooking recipe, and today we are going to prepare a cake, vanilla cake. So 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of milk. I will add 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 cup sugar, a half a cup cooking oil, salt, pinch. We have baking soda. No, this is baking powder. Then here we have a half teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. Oh, almost forget our 2 eggs. So let's get started. So I will start by beating our eggs. Sugar. So now I'll go in with our cooking oil. Add milk. Time to go in with our flour. Bit by bit, but like so. Bicarbonate of soda, baking powder, salt. Add vanilla essence. Our butter is almost ready. So let me now grease my baking pot. I'm going to use sufuria. I will add oil. Grease. Then add flour. So let's head over and preheat our oven. So I will place my sufuria here. It has some salt inside, enough salt. Take these 3 spoons and place them inside. They will help to hold my sufuria while baking. So I've placed the 3 spoons inside. Cover my oven. Make sure that it's tightly covered. That's the reason I'm using this pan. Tightly covered, and let it warm. Let it heat for 10 minutes. So we will place our butter here, like so. Cover. And let it cook or let it bake for 60 minutes, 50 to 60 minutes, under low heat. So 60 minutes are over. Let's check our cake. It's hot. And yay! Look at that. So our cake is super ready. I will use my knife, and there it's clean. So that means our cake is ready. Put off the fire. Then I will remove this. It's hot. And let it cool. Then we will cut our cake and see how it looks from inside. So after some few minutes of it cooling down, that is our cake. Let's get to see. There you go. So we turn it here. You see, it's soft. Thank you for watching till the end. If you haven't subscribed, please do, and let's meet on the next one.